Good day all. This video explains how to process an ePA using Canara Bank Net Banking. For this, we have already provided an option in our net banking which will be accessed by https://netbanking.canarabank.in. Clicking the PFMS login in the main page, you will reach this page where you have to enter a CAPTCHA and then click on proceed to login option. On giving such option, you will be asked to enter your net banking credentials, which will be issued by your branches. Here you have to enter the net banking username and the login password, and then click on submit, so that your identity will be validated and we will move ahead to the next page. In the next page, you will find all the PPAs you have generated which are pending for processing. These PPAs are generated inside PFMS only. Now we click on view details for any particular PPA. Then you will find the details as always done, and then click on create option. Clicking on create option, it will ask for a next screen with the username and password. There you have to enter the internet banking username and your transaction password. Please remember, here you have to enter transaction password. On clicking submit again, this PPA will be pushed to your checker user, and once that is successful, you will get a message on screen. ePA initiated successfully, kindly approve the signature checker log. Now log out and log in to the checker user. You can also do in such a way that you can create multiple and then go to checker also. That is also fine. Then click on enter the detail. Here you have to give the checker details and checker login details, and then click on submit. Here also the procedure will be same. Only thing is that now you are going to make a login, so only those processed in maker will be made available here. Here also you have to click on the view details button, and same way you will get details. You have to click on approve with the transaction password option to approve the PPA. Here also you will be asked for the checker username and transaction password. Remember, it is transaction password after any screen which comes after login. So you have to enter your transaction password here and then click on submit, so that this will be successfully pushed to the payment system. So this is the procedure on how to approve ePA using net banking of Canara Bank. Thank you.